A vowed whisper through the storm that you're the only heart I want to be beside, and my heart to be beside you in the end. The only soul I want to grow old with misunderstandings and all. Always you, still you, only you.
I vow to be a God-fearing woman who covers you in prayer when you're far and speak life into you when you're near, and to be there for you in all the ways you need me to be the best mother to our future little ones, and hold down the fort whenever Dad is away.
Mr. and Mrs. Nathan and Nicole Meisenhelter.